Have you ever made something expecting it to be average and it completely blows your mind up? That's exactly what happened to me. I was looking at this burnt kettle and wondering how I could get rid of all this stubborn carbon buildup without spending money on expensive cleaner. So I decided to actually experiment. I took an ordinary multi-purpose soap and some active ingredients and turned them into this fluffy pink cloud you are seeing here. Honestly, it looks more like whipped frosting than a cleaning product, right? But don't let the pretty color fool you. I applied it to this kettle and I left it for just 10 minutes and the result shocked me. If you're struggling with burnt pots, greasy cookers, dirty sinks, or stained tiles, keep watching because I'm about to show you how exactly I made this, and follow my channel for more DIY tricks like this. I use particularly 2 bars of soap. These soap are normally known as multipurpose soap. People use it to wash their clothes in my own country. You can use Lux and any other kind of washing soap that you can lay your hands on in the supermarket. Just go buy 2 large soap. On the body of this soap is actually written 250 grams, but by weight is mostly around 180 grams for each of them. All you have to do is to grate it, turn it into tiny chunks, and then add 600 ml of hot water into it. After adding this 600 ml of hot water into it, allow it for some time. Just cover it up for like 5 minutes and then you return back to it. Covering these soap granules in hot water makes it softer. That way, when you stick blend it, it will be easier for the soap granules to dissolve and break down easily. That is just the point of covering it in hot water for like 5 minutes before you stick blend. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So once you are done, place it on heat on a double boiler for like 10 more minutes to make sure that everything is perfectly dissolved. This is how it should look like when it comes out from the double boiler. Everything's smooth and neat. Smooth paste. Now add in any liquid soap of your choice, 150 ml to be precise. This liquid soap can be the dish soap that you buy from the supermarket that is on the shelf, probably in your kitchen right now, or it can be the liquid laundry detergent in your bathroom where you wash clothes, but you just need 150 ml of that. And the reason you are adding it is just to boost the power, the potency, so that it can give you more, will I say, lathering effect or foam effect. I added a little bit of pink coloring to it. You can use food coloring. If you have water-soluble color, you can use. I'm using a water-soluble dye, just a plain water-soluble dye. Now, the powder I'm adding to it are the main additives. This is 250 grams of baking soda and 50 grams of washing soda. Washing soda is also known as sodium carbonate or soda ash, while baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate is what gives it the shine on your pot, and it's 250 grams. And then the washing soda will just help to add it and give it more abrasive effect or more cleaning effect. Once you are finished adding it, you change your stick blender to the whipping pin so that you can whip it up. You need it to become more airy and more fluffy. Whip it till you get to this texture and this stage, then you stop whipping. If you want to add essential oil or any fragrance to it, please be my guest, you can. Please, I hope you can make this, and I know you love the texture. If you want to add fragrance, please do. Once you are done, just use a cup, scoop them out, and then it is ready for sale. Will you be trying this recipe out? Will you actually make this? I know everybody have pots in their house and everybody actually cooks. So there is no way, apart 50% of my followers here on Facebook wouldn't want to try this out in their home. This is very effective and it is very potent. Now, the business part of it. If you are into cleaning products, you can make this and add to the products you sell. So apart from selling your liquid soaps to your customers, you can also sell this to your customers. After you apply it on the surface of the soap, it's like a paste. So it is easy for you to smear around or apply on your pot. Allow it for like 10 minutes before you come back to it. This is how it looks like in a plate. It doesn't fall off that easily. It is like thick, textured, kind of fluffy cloud. It looks like a piece of heaven, I'm telling you. It's very beautiful. You make this and you'll be happy with yourself. Now, after leaving it for 10 minutes, it makes it easy for the grims and grimes to actually pull up from the pot and the carbon deposit to leave your pot as quickly as possible. I was actually surprised that at one swipe of my sponge, everything just cleans out easily. It didn't even take me much stress. Just watch what I'm saying. A little swipe and everything was gone. This is a very powerful product. These are the kind of recipe I charge people for. Before I give it to them, you have to pay for the recipe. So please, I'm giving you this out freely so that you try it out and you come back and with testimony and tell me, Bam Glam, I made this and my family love this. If you love a very neat kitchen, make this for your household. If you are already into a cleaning business and you want to add up something to spice up your business, it's not really too much of a diversification in your business, but it's a very beautiful thing to make. Look at how my kettle is shining. Look at how my kettle is shining. Would you try this? Tell me in the comment section, would you try this? And if you are grateful for this recipe, just drop the thank you for me in the comment section. I will actually appreciate this. I want this video to move far and wide. And if you want me to just give you the typed copy in your DM, just drop soap cloud for me in the comment section. I will come back and I'll reply you. And you can use it to wash even your walls, your floors, your shirts, your cap, your shoes. It's a multi-purpose scouring paste. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. This is Bam Glam DIY, and I will appreciate it if you give me a like button, drop a beautiful comment, and share my video to someone who actually needs it. Thank you everyone for sticking to my channel.